In this video I'm going to show you how to activate Siri on iPhone or iPad. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open settings on your iPhone or iPad and swipe up for Siri and search. Tap on, and here is ask Siri sections. First option is listen for, and tap on, currently showing turn it off, and here is three options. First option is Siri or Hey Siri, and second option is Hey Siri. So if you tap here, that means if you say only Siri or Hey Siri, both activate Hey Siri on iPhone. So if you tap second options Hey Siri, so it's only recognize you when you say Hey Siri. So I'm selecting first options and tap on enable Siri. So you need to complete some voice train, then tap on continue and say Siri, how's the weather, and it's work. Hey Siri, send a message, and Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Done. No. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Done. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. And done. And Siri is ready. So tap on done and go back and turn on these options, so you can activate Siri by tapping or pressing power button on your iPhone or iPad. So turn on, so that way you can activate Siri on iPhone or iPad. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.